In this video, we'll explore the essential strategies for beginners to simultaneously build muscle and lose fat. We'll delve into the key principles of nutrition, emphasizing the significance of macronutrients and caloric intake in achieving these goals. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of designing a well-rounded workout routine that encompasses both strength training and cardiovascular exercise for optimal results. Rest and recovery will also be highlighted as crucial factors in the muscle building and fat loss process. Moreover, we'll address the significance of progress tracking and making necessary adjustments to ensure continuous advancements. Lastly, we'll provide insights into staying motivated and maintaining consistency in your fitness journey. Understanding the significance of macronutrients is paramount in achieving your fitness goals. We'll delve into the pivotal roles of protein, carbohydrates, and fats in your diet, elucidating how they contribute to muscle building and fat loss. Moreover, we'll discuss the process of calculating your caloric intake, tailored to your specific fitness objectives. This involves understanding the relationship between calories consumed and expended, ensuring an appropriate balance for your desired outcomes. By grasping these fundamental concepts, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to optimize your nutrition for effective muscle building and fat loss. Designing a balanced workout routine is essential for achieving both muscle growth and fat loss. We'll discuss the incorporation of strength training to promote muscle development, including exercises targeting major muscle groups. Additionally, we'll explore the integration of cardiovascular workouts to facilitate fat burning and overall cardiovascular health. The importance of balancing these components to prevent overtraining and maximize results will be highlighted. By understanding how to structure your workouts effectively, you'll be able to create a comprehensive and sustainable fitness regimen that aligns with your goals. Understanding the importance of rest and recovery is crucial in the process of muscle building and fat loss. We'll emphasize the significance of allowing adequate time for muscle repair and growth, as well as the role of sleep in facilitating these processes. Furthermore, we'll delve into the impact of stress on your body's ability to build muscle and burn fat, highlighting the importance of stress management techniques. By prioritizing rest, quality sleep, and effective stress management, you'll optimize your body's ability to achieve your fitness goals and maintain overall well-being. Tracking your progress and making necessary adjustments are integral parts of a successful fitness journey. We'll discuss the various methods for effectively monitoring your advancements, such as keeping track of changes in body composition, strength gains, and performance improvements. Additionally, we'll highlight the importance of making adjustments to your nutrition and training plan as you progress, ensuring that your regimen evolves in line with your changing needs. By mastering these skills, you'll have the ability to fine-tune your approach, optimizing your efforts for continuous improvement and long-term success. Maintaining motivation and consistency is key to achieving your muscle building and fat loss goals. We'll explore various strategies to stay motivated, including mindset tips to overcome challenges and setbacks. Moreover, we'll emphasize the importance of setting realistic and achievable goals, ensuring that they provide continuous motivation without becoming overwhelming. By incorporating these strategies into your fitness journey, you'll be better equipped to maintain consistency and discipline, ultimately leading to long-term success in reaching your desired physique and overall well-being.